Hi there. Today you find me at Bowman Park in the rain. It's Saturday, toward the end of January. Pretty mild, but as you can see, pretty wet. The floating dock at Bowman Park, as you can see out there, no way to get there. And my bike is parked kind of precariously up against the City of Albany barricade to try to keep people out of the water. Let's hope it stays there. Not going to spend too much time here because it's raining fairly steadily. But if you can see back there, the Willamette River is coursing downriver at a fairly good speed. It is far from flood stage, but it's getting pretty high. At one time, some people around here were worried about the river flooding the parking lot of the Banks apartment in the distance there. But to do that, the river would have to get a whole lot higher. Now, it is just mildly high. The park, in fact, as you can see, is still open. People are parked here, able to drive in. And the river gets much higher, the Parks Department is going to close Bowman Park. And this here is where the creek comes in to the Willamette River. If I have my geography right, fairly wide at this spot, only because, of course, the river is very high. Way back there you see some ducks, maybe. But this meadow in front of us here, of course, is underwater. Normally, in the summertime, it's a pretty good beach. So I think what I'll do here, it is 3 minutes. We spent 3 minutes at Bowman Park. Not much going on, as you can see. It's fairly empty. But it's a nice park, and it's very heavily used in the summertime for boating activities, as you know, if you live around here. And if you don't, you might come down here some day in the summer to check it out. It is not much else to say about this, except that well, I don't know if the river is rising or falling. We'll try to find that out. I'll try to find that out. But for now, I think I'll hop back on the bike before the bike falls into the river and get out of here and get out of the rain. This is I'm House Herring reporting from Albany, Oregon, which, as you know, is a pretty nice place to live. But as again, don't tell anybody about it. And thanks for watching this little video. Thanks for your patience. And I'll see you on the next one.